Hey guys, thanks for joining us on another Ludicrous feed video. Just a quick shout out to all my subscribers out there, 123. Thank you so much for subscribing and for leaving all your comments so far over the last few videos. Today I wanted to talk about my PowerWall 2 once again. Like any system, nothing is perfect, and unfortunately the PowerWall 2 is no exception. It's been okay, but I must say over the last 2 or 3 months I've had a few times where I've had to call Tesla in to have a look at my PowerWall 2 just because sometimes the data drops out, and I'll show you a picture of what's been happening on my PowerWall 2 app where I'm not getting any feedback from the meter and the gateway, and because of that the PowerWall 2 is a bit shy and then doesn't charge or discharge and stays idle like a brick basically. So I guess after a few complaints and a few phone calls, then Tesla has finally decided to exchange my PowerWall 2. So this PowerWall 2 is a brand new one. Totally different to the ones you've been seeing on my videos. They also exchanged what they call the meter, which I'll show you a photo of on this video. It essentially meters what the PowerWall 2 is doing, how much solar is coming in, and whether to discharge a PowerWall 2 or import energy from the grid, all those things. So basically the brain of the operation had to be replaced, and the guys came out this morning at 8 o'clock in the morning as promised. And it's currently now 10 o'clock, so within 2 hours this brand new PowerWall 2 was put in, the meter was recommissioned, and my app is working once more, and I'll show you just to prove that it's all working fine on my PowerWall 2 app. So as you can see, it is charging nicely at 20%, and if I flick to power flow, as you can see, it's all doing what it's supposed to be doing. There's the power usage for the day, as you can see. That's how much solar has come in so far. That little dip down was when the guys were here obviously to recommission the product. That's how much the PowerWall 2 is being used above the line, and then how much is being charged currently. And that's how much we've had to use from the grid today. Above the line is importing, and below the line is exporting back as a feed-in tariff. So as you can see, we've had such a good day so far in Sydney because it's autumn. Autumn is fantastic, particularly this time of year. Particularly this year rather, it's been really hot. Like today it's supposed to be 34 degrees, which is unseasonably warm. So a lot of sun today, as you can see. So there have it guys, the PowerWall 2, it's got a 10-year warranty. So any problems, Tesla comes out and fixes it for you. I guess they don't want a bad reputation either. Brand new PowerWall 2, totally refitted today. The guys are very efficient. Brand new meter as well near my meter board. Working fine again, so fingers crossed it'll be fine. It'll work just smoothly and hopefully no more issues. But once again, Tesla service, that's why I choose Tesla over other battery companies, just because they want to keep their reputation. They're out here quickly, they're always on the phone, happy to talk to you with any problems. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my PowerWall 2 videos and my car videos. Please feel free to subscribe, and we'll have more videos for you very soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy charging. Hey, thanks for watching, and thank you for helping us to bring the electric vehicle revolution to Australia. If you've enjoyed our videos, please take a moment to hit subscribe. We really appreciate it. If you're close to buying a brand new Tesla, then lucky you. Use one of our promo codes on screen to unlock special goodies from Tesla. Happy charging!